How to get 5-star cards in Monopoly Go. So, number one we have here is complete milestone events. Milestone events are time limited occasions where you can earn stickers as rewards. To receive the prize and earn points, you must finish the event's task. Additionally, the upper right corner of your main screen is where you find active events. All you have to do is tap on any event, review the task, play the board, and finish it. Number two, to get stars in Monopoly Go, use Quick Wins. The daily task known as Quick Wins allows players to earn rewards such as free cards, cash, and dice rolls. This option is located in the lower left corner. It's next to the build menu item and it is locked if you are unable to use this feature. Number three is pin color set wheel. Once they have finished any color set and placed the hotel on them, players get to spin a color set wheel. You will be able to spin the color set wheel each time you land on the color set's property. It's possible that using this method will result in a blue card pack. It's worth a shot even though you usually end up with low star ones. So these are the three ways on how to get 5-star cards in Monopoly Go. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next videos.